So all these Sakhis and what I mean to say is all these viewpoints of the Rasikacharyas whom we worship and whom we honor, and we equally love and worship Jiva Goswami and Vishwanath Chakravarti and Sanatana Goswami and all of our great Rasikacharyas and our own immediate gurus who may have their insight and their beautiful way of seeing it. And it's all part of the same one satisfying drink called Rasala. Radha Krishna Rasala Amritam. So we will answer the question that way. It's just, like when I was reading it, I noted, I read Ujjwala Neelamani long ago, and I only saw this English version, I never saw verse by verse. So now I'm with all of you, we're going through it together. I'm reading it fresh in the class and just apne speaking. And I have this old one, and another one also, which I gave to someone, which is even older than that. Only English, by Kushakrata and someone else also. So now, and it didn't have the tikas of Vishwanath or Jiva. I gave my own, and on these verses, then we read it, it's some similar sometimes, or some little different angle. So this is the beauty of like someone gives a Bhagavatam class, and they said, here's Jiva, or like I just gave the Ujjwala Neelamani class. Here's Vishna's Tika, here's Jiva Goswami's Tika. Well, I'm also a subjective person. I'm also an individual person. I'm a speaker, and I've been trained by my guru. And so I'm speaking Harikatha with his blessings, and the blessings of Vaitacharya. So I may give a little different angle. That just makes, another sweetness to it. But when it comes to the final authority or the praman, it's not, Madan Gopal said, Dandavats Madan Gopal. But, Vishwanath Chakravarti said, Vishwanath Chakravarti, this is the Supreme Court. Baladev Vidyabhushan, Vishwanath Chakravarti, Narottam Das Thakur Mahashaya, Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, Raghunath Bhatta, Raghunath Das, Sri Jiva, the Sad Goswamis, Srimad Bhagavatam, Shukamuni, like this. So these are our Krishnadas Kaviraj and Vrindavan Das Thakur. They all sit on the bench together. There's a Supreme Court bench of 13 members. So this Supreme Court. So we may be arguing some case or making some point from a lower court or a civil court or a municipal court or civil court or state court. That's very nice. That's good for you. Your guru says that, you're his disciple, you run with that. Well, my guru says this, and I run with this. It's like this. We see right here, this little viewpoints this way. But it's all within the boundaries of rasa and the siddhanta.